The pond. A pond is a small and shallow body of water with a muddy bottom. It is a habitat for plants and animals.
There are 4 kinds of ponds. Each one is made of a different way. Some by humans, glaciers, or streams. Ponds can be found on farms, mountains, or meadows.
All kinds of animals make homes around the pond. Frogs, raccoons, turtles, deer, rats, and swans find water and food near a pond.
In a pond you can find tadpoles, snails, crustaceans like crayfish, and shrimp, fish, insects, and zooplankton.
Floating plants have roots that don't touch the bottom. An example of this is water lily sunburst. Plants grow under the water.
Plants can also survive in a pond. There are 3 different areas plants can grow. Emergent plants like cactus and wildflowers sprout along the edge of the water.
A little pond. 2, 10 pine flowers, trees, birds, and grass. Pond are permanent homes for plants and animals.
Hi, my name is Alicia. I am at Mill Pond. I am looking for the small lizard, the salamander. If I am lucky to find one.
The salamander. The salamander has many physical adaptations to live in the pond habitat. Its teeth catch its prey, and it uses its jaws and tongue to shove its food in its mouth. Salamanders gulp down their food alive as soon as they catch it. The salamander absorbs water on its skin when swimming in the pond, and it also needs wet skin to breathe. A salamander never needs to drink water. It protects itself from spiders, snakes, and other animals. Sometimes when it is attacked, the tail comes off. That is all of the physical adaptations for the salamander. Salamanders have behavioral adaptations. They need to be sneaky to catch food. They use a strong sense of smell to catch food. Salamanders swallow their food alive and whole. As the salamander grows up, their skin gets tighter and the old skin sheds. Some are camouflaged and have poison in the skin. When you grab the salamander, its tail can come off to run away from enemies. If it is attacked and grow back body parts. That is all the salamander's behavioral adaptations. I hope you know some stuff about the salamander.
Good morning. This is A reporting to you. I am looking for this mysterious animal, the dragonfly. I am in Mill Pond to find a dragonfly and see it in its habitat. Dragonflies by Ava. The dragonfly has many physical adaptations to survive in a pond habitat. Baby dragonflies are called nymphs. In the water, they stretch their bodies out to catch prey. A mask with a hook helps them catch it and hold on to its food. Nymphs have gills. This allows them to breathe underwater. As a nymph grows older, it also grows wings. Now it can fly above the pond surface. 3 eyes help dragonflies see movement and locate food. Their legs let them hold onto their prey once they catch it. Dark dragonflies have tiny pores in their body to help them breathe air. The most important part of physical adaptation is that they have 2 sets of wings. That helps them fly away from predators. This is how dragonflies survive in its habitat. The dragonfly has many behavioral adaptations to survive in the pond habitat. Baby dragonflies only breathe underwater. This is because they were born underwater. Nymphs are able to camouflage. When they hide from enemies, they use their body color to blend in. This helps them not to be eaten by enemies. Another behavioral adaptation is that dragonflies can fly away fast. They want to escape predators. That is how dragonflies survive in a pond habitat.
Hello, my name is Bella, and I'm at the Bigelow Pond, Union, Connecticut. When I was here, I found a mallard duck. It swam so fast. The Mallard Duck by Bella. The duck has many physical adaptations to stay alive in the pond habitat. In its bill, it has a little strainer called a sieve. Its sieve drains most of the water, but not all. And when a duck dives underwater and catches its food, its neck stretches to grab its food. The duck has lungs to breathe. If they are in danger, they pretend that their wings are broken to protect themselves from enemies. Sometimes it will swim really fast when it uses its feet. These are the most common facts about the duck. The duck has many behavioral adaptations to stay alive in the pond. In the winter, they migrate to a warmer area because the water gets too cold. And if it can't find enough food and water, they fly to the south. When a duck catches its food, it swims to shallow water. Then it holds its breath and ducks its head under the water. Next, it grabs the food with its beak. Finally, they pop up above the water and eats the plants. It pretends that its wings are broken to protect themselves from enemies.
Nice to see you again. My name is Juliana, and I'm reporting from the Bigelow Pond in Union, Connecticut. And I'm looking for the small and slimy snail. Oh, look, there's one.
The Snail by Juliana. A snail lives in a pond habitat. In order to survive, it has special body parts. Its radulas help it pull its prey into its mouth. To catch its prey, it slides across the ground, leaving slime. When they find a puddle, it sips it with its mouth that meets to its shell. Snails have a respiratory pore. It helps them breathe. The respiratory pore is close to the shell. There is a part that I almost forgot, the shell. The snail tucks its head into its body when its predators come to eat it, and the snail looks like an empty leftover shell. Those were some physical adaptations about the snail. A snail has many behavioral adaptations to survive in the pond habitat. They hibernate in the winter because they can't find food and they need to stay warm. It hibernates in its shell and they tuck their head in their shell. Their slime seals the shell like a door, and then the snail falls asleep. Its shell is camouflaged to blend in with the surroundings so it won't be noticed. These are some behavioral adaptations about the snail.
Hello, America. I'm Jaden reporting in Sargent's Pond in Brookline, Massachusetts. I'm searching for the sneaky garter snake. The garter snake eats a variety of foods like fish, frogs, and slugs.
Garter Snake by Jaden. The garter snake lives around ponds. It's adapted to survive in that habitat. The long body scale helps it slither away from predators. The garter snake drinks fresh water when it's thirsty. The garter snake has lungs for breathing. When a human tries to catch it, it will poop on you. So that means that you drop it. The garter snake has sharp teeth to bite enemies. The garter snake is the most familiar snake in North America. They are adapted to live near streams, rivers, and ponds. The snake flicks its tongue to catch its prey before it eats the prey. The garter snake has many behavioral adaptations to survive in the pond habitat. The garter snake learns to grab fish and swallow fish whole before the fish gets swallowed. The snake's enemies are fish, frogs, slugs, and other small garter snakes. The garter snake slides away into its den to get away from enemies and also hibernates. These are the behavioral adaptations of the garter snake.
Hi, my name is Wyatt. Like turtle live in the pond habitat. A turtle has a shell, 4 legs, a tail, and a beak. Turtle eat plants, fish, snakes, eat it. A turtle shell can be brown or green. The skin can be black or brown. I hope I see a turtle in a pond this summer.